NG33, control.
Good.
NG33, for CHP, they don't really have further information. The only advice it was reported at the top of northbound Skyline to South Davis Golf Course. They're still en route.